Okay, so if you look over there, I got that one all disassembled. Now basically I'm not really gonna show you how to put this back together. It's just the opposite of disassembly over there. I'll put it back together and then we'll pick back up when I go to put it back on. All right, so I got everything swapped over to this one. Got all the things put in, all the clips, everything like that. So now this piece is ready to go back on. So this piece has to go up and under to line up correctly.
You got it.
If I do it like that, that'll help. Oh no. Oh, I think I got it. Yep, there it is. Fan's still okay. How about that? Now I can struggle with this side. All right, now we're both in.
Let me see the sweat on your face.
It's hot. It's hot.
That was a struggle.
That was a whole struggle. That was a struggle fest. That was a struggle.
I'm gonna do a 5-minute compilation at the end of the video of you just looking around confused.
Oh man, that was a struggle.
I think I got a lot of footage of you just being confused.
Cause I always put stuff everywhere, and it's like trying to find things sometimes is a task in itself. So I'm gonna put the locks in. I'm gonna tighten those down first. Then I'll probably put the outsides on, those little pistons. Then I'll tighten the top back up once I know everything's lined up. Hopefully I don't have to adjust my hood pins and those still line up, but
Knowing you.
I know, car life, it won't line up. That's normal. You need that much actually. Now Okay, since we got most of it together now, I'm gonna start up the car and see if this fan is working now. Cross your fingers, cause life is rough. Is it going?
It's alive.
Wow. That's when you clap.
Yay.
So now we're cooling the motor. Ain't that something? Alright, well, I'll finish putting everything back together and we should be good to go. Alright, so now we just need to put the bumper on, put the headlights in, and the camera lady's gonna do it. I said the camera lady's gonna do it. Alright, well, put the bumper. Camera lady ain't
Zay ain't
We are almost there, people. All we have to do is put these headlights in. And we're good to go. Ooh, you know what I need to do?
what?
You're gonna be disappointed. This has gotta get painted. This little bottom trim piece here, it's gotta get painted.
Why would I be disappointed?
Well, because I have to take a longer time in order to have this painted.
Sounds like you need to do that another day.
Fair enough.
That's what it sounds like to me.
Fair enough, I'll do it another day. Alright. Screws. So I just gotta make sure my corners line up. Once those line up, I'm putting my screw in. This needs to line up. Put that in that corner first. Green. See, the green doesn't work over here. Just to make sure everything looks good. What's my time, camera lady?
1 minute and 30 seconds.
All right, I got a minute and 30 seconds before Michael Jackson something happens.
Maybe we need to buy another micro SD card.
I just gotta not be lazy and just delete the damn thing. Okay. Ready for an outro, everybody. You've been here for a long time. So we got everything together. The fan is now working. Our lights are back in line, and now we have the new frame piece here, and we're all good to go. I want to thank you very much for watching my video. I want you to like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you like the new color, the lights, anything you want to see next. Camera lady, you want to say anything?
I just want to say that my arm is so tired from holding this camera, and we've been in this shop for 8 hours, and we're coming right back to film another video about some brakes. Then I get to go home and eat and watch Sex and the City, so I'm excited for that. Other than that, I don't have shit to say, but let's go.
We out.